Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Melanie if you're new here, and I'm really happy to have you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer at home. My disclaimers, I am not a doctor, guys, or a scientist. I'm just a mom trying to find practical ways to get through the situation when I run out of hand sanitizer. And so I've done a lot of digging. There are a lot of different ways out there, but I'm going to share my favorite one with you today because it's easy and I think maybe it will be helpful for some of you. So I've run into situations time and time again where everywhere is out of hand sanitizer. So, obviously the best and most efficient way to get rid of germs is by washing your hands, right? But we can't always get hold of soap and water. So hand sanitizer is probably the next best thing. So I have a bottle of Purell and I picked it up just to see what the percentage of alcohol was in it. I want to say it was 70. Yeah, so it's 70% ethyl alcohol, which is an antimicrobial. So I believe the bare minimum that you would want to have in your homemade concoction is 60%. But I am using the 91% isopropyl alcohol. So I think that's the strongest one in the stores. And I always have that on hand. The other thing that you're going to need is glycerin oil. You can find it. This is 100% organic vegetable glycerin oil. You can usually find it in the ethnic hair care aisle, but you can also find it in your local CVS or Walgreens drugstore type places, and in some vitamin stores. So it's really all you need to kind of make your own. It's not going to feel the same as what you buy in the store like this one, but it'll get you out of a tight spot if you need it. And so I think with the glycerin oil, the reason, so I was looking up like why glycerin oil instead of baby oil, for example, which is mineral oil. And it's just the way that it breaks down. It's actually made with alcohol. There's some alcohol in it. And so it's more soluble. So that's why you would want to use glycerin oil. You can also use aloe vera gel, but I don't have any. So really the recipe is pretty simple. It's 3/4 alcohol to 1/4 glycerin oil. So, you can measure it out. I'm kind of eyeballing this because I've done it so many times. So I fill this up 3/4 of the way with alcohol, the 91%. And then I put a little glycerin oil in there. And if you want, you can add, I put some essential oil out here just for an example. You can add some essential oil, like if you want some fragrance. But at the end of the day, it's not the most important thing. So this is what I found for you. Hopefully you don't hear my stomach growling right now. And I'm going to fill it up almost all of the way. So I'd love for you to share in the comments below if you found any other, homemade recipes and remedies that work. I'll drop a little eucalyptus in here. I don't usually add an essential oil, but just so you can get the idea. And you're ready to go. So hopefully this was helpful for you. It's like I said, it's just a way to get you out of a bind. If you can't find the regular hand sanitizer, if you can't get a hold of a sink with soap and water, then this will get you out of a bind. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips and tricks on ways to help keep your kids and family safe and germ-free. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Until then, love and peace.